Hello YouTube, Platinum Skies here, and I've got a scrapping video for you. I thought I'd try one out on our computer. It's a Philips. There, it looks pretty old. I think it should have a tag on it saying it's when it's from. No, it doesn't. Okay, but I'm gonna try and scrap it here. So let's get started. So first you unclip this thing, then this is just steel, and I'm going to be scrapping it for silver, gold, palladium, and probably other metals like aluminium, copper, and steel, and that. Okay, so what you got in here is you got a fan that will have a heatsink underneath it, and it also have a CPU. Then you got some PCI cards, one here, one there, and one there. So I'm going to start by unscrewing these. And these have gold on them. I'll show you where the gold is. Okay, so here you go. Here's the first PCI card, and all of that there is gold. You got some monolithic ceramic capacitors. What are those things? And if you can see the ends of them, like there, that's silver on the end of there. And then inside they got layers of palladium, so that's one. And the second one, that looks like, I don't know what that is. I don't think it's gold, that one. No. Got another PCI card there. And it's got tangled up. You got one here. Got one there. And last one, this one. Now I'm gonna unscrew the, oh, we go, the don't need to unscrew it, this comes off, and that's the CPU there. So that's all gold on there. Gold pins. So that's another one, and let's just unplug this. That's aluminium. Sometimes they're made of copper, but this one's not. It's quite high grade aluminium. Then you got the RAM over there. This is a RAM, which stands for random access memory. Oh, it's already out, so that's got gold teeth on it there, and IC chips as well. These have little gold wires in them. What else is there? Just unplug this. A lot of wires. So let's unscrew the motherboard. And the motherboard has like IC chips on it. It's got a flat pack. I'll show you that. That's got gold, like painted stuff in it. So hopefully this will come out now. Yeah, there we go. So what's on here is you got, that's the flat pack. That's got a little gold tab on it. You got these slots. They should be gold plated as well. Got monolithic ceramic capacitors. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Speaker bit, I think. I think these slots have some gold in them here. You got, that's another aluminium heatsink. So let's get that off. But the only way to do it is with my friend here. That's aluminium, and it's got another flat pack under there, a bigger one. So then you got, try and remove all these wires. Let's move the camera over. And you should have the hard drive here, and which has, normally I have some stuff on that, but I can see a little bit of gold there, in there, and you got gold in there. They have, I think, discs in them which have I think they're laid with platinum, but a small amount. And then you've got, I think that's a CD-ROM or a floppy disk drive thing. Which can't seem to get out at the moment. Just snap that off. No, that's not coming out. Well, oh well. That's just a floppy disk. It has other gold-plated pins on it, and that doesn't want to come out either. Yeah, that doesn't want to come out. Just move that out of the way. I think it's because I got those screws there. So let me just that quick. There you go. I think it's because of these screws here. You can see them. Okay, so this one's the floppy disk drive thingy. That's got, I think that's, yeah, little bits of gold plated pins there. You can see in there. And the next one is the this thing. That's got the same in there. I think this is the, I don't know what this is. This on it. Not sure. So, but the last thing in this PC is the power supply, which has a bunch of wires as well. These have little bits of little tiny gold plated parts in them. The last bit's the power supply, which has copper in it. Got little heat sinks, but there's no point really scrapping them. Apart from, I don't know if this one has it. Yeah, it does. You've got, let me just show you. Which I'll just point out. In that switch there, the on-off switch, you got things that look like things that look like these. If you take the switch apart, you got things that look like these, and those little lamps there are silver contacts, so that's just silver. Only a little bit, but still something. Then with the rest of this, it's steel, so you just take it to the scrapyard and get like hardly nothing for it. But it's good to scrap computers because of those gold, like the RAM and the PCI cards. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you.